This eye shows chronic bowels. Here, this is ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. See the bowel is very chronic. Look at that deep line going around the pupil. That's called a malabsorption ring. This has purple. That's potential eye issues or cataract. Look at the purple color going around the iris. It's high acidosis cholesterol. Cholesterol ring. The body is producing cholesterol to fight acids. Look at those deep lines leaching out. That's called radii solaris. Indicates toxic tunnels of weight leaching out of the bowels to all parts of the body, especially in the brain section right here. So there's quite a bit of inflammation in the vagina and uterus region right here, okay? And here is the bladder region, here's the lower back, all congested of lymph. So when the kidneys don't filter out waste, the bladder and lower back will have congestion or build of acidosis. Look at the rings going around and around. Those are nerve rings. You have a weak nervous system. And if you look closely around the bowels, there's a line going around the bowels. That's called autonomic nerve wreath. Indicates that you have a weak digestive system due to weak nervous system, again, due to weak adrenals. You have very weak adrenals. See there, that dark spot right here, that's your adrenal glands. And here is the kidneys. You can see there's quite a bit of congestion. So use the kidney tea, kidney tincture. Use an two adrenal tinctures, strengthen these parts. Adrenals control kidneys. Adrenals also control the autonomic nerve wreath, which is the poor digestion shown in the eye here. It also controls the nervous system. The nerve rings indicates weak adrenals. So we gotta fix the adrenals.